What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your dashboard view on Nerdwallet. Do you want your Nerdwallet dashboard to reflect exactly what matters to you? Well, here's how to customize your dashboard view for a more focused financial experience. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then once you're on your dashboard, locate the gear icon or the customize dashboard option. You can typically find that near the top or the side of the page. Click it and then you're going to enter customization mode. From here, you can choose which widgets to show or hide, including, credit scores, linked bank accounts, budget overviews, spending trends, financial goals, as well as recommended articles. Simply check or uncheck each box depending on exactly what you want to see. You can also rearrange sections by dragging and dropping widgets to suit your preferred layout. Put your most important financial info like credits, savings, or net worth right at the top. Once you're happy with your setup, click Saved or Done Customizing. Your dashboard will now reflect your unique financial priorities every time you log in. No more clutters, no confusions, just your money and your way. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that make money management personal. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one.